Welcome to Wealth Compass, your guide to financial freedom. Today, we're exploring three powerful secrets that can help you build wealth, create multiple income streams, and master your money mindset. Even if you're starting from zero, these strategies can transform your financial life. The first secret is to master your money mindset. Your mind is the compass that directs your wealth journey. Most people struggle financially not because they lack opportunities, but because their mindset limits them. Start by believing that you can grow your wealth, educate yourself about money, and replace limiting thoughts like, "I'll never be rich," with, "I can make smart financial choices." Write down your financial goals, visualize your success, and watch how your decisions start aligning with your wealth goals. The second secret is to build multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Wealthy people diversify. They invest in stocks, start side hustles, or create online businesses. Even small side incomes add up over time. Start by identifying your skills or hobbies and consider how you can turn them into a profitable side hustle. Can you invest a small amount each month in stocks or real estate? The key is consistency and patience. Wealth is rarely built overnight. It grows steadily, like compounding interest. The third secret is to control your spending, save, and invest. Earning more is important, but keeping more is what really builds wealth. Track your expenses, cut unnecessary spending, and invest what you save. Even small amounts, when invested wisely, can grow into significant wealth over time. Think of every dollar as a soldier in your army. Send it to work through investments, savings, and smart financial decisions. The more disciplined you are today, the freer you will be tomorrow. By mastering your mindset, creating multiple income streams, and managing your money wisely, you can take control of your financial future. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom, choice, and peace of mind. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Wealth Compass, and turn on notifications for more actionable tips to grow your wealth and master your financial journey. Your path to financial freedom starts today.